Creating waxing content is pretty difficult sometimes because sometimes I'll think I'll get the perfect angle and then I'll go look at my phone and I'll get the whole video sideways and I'm just like, wow. So I'm glad I didn't delete this video, but I wanted to whip her out because it's close to St. Patty's Day and I feel like now that it's March, now that it's spring, now that we're all slowly getting out of the winter depression, it's a very good time to be whipping this color out. This is the Sexy Smooth Wax and Emerald Enchantment that I'm using in this video. I know y'all see the grip on that, like it's so satisfying. The color is so pretty and it's so in season right now with everything getting warmer and more colorful outside. And also it makes for very quick, just 5 minutes or less underarm waxes. It's a very flexible wax. The dry time is great. I'm just so impatient, which is why you see me get these kind of like goopy pieces sometimes because I don't be letting it dry for as long as I need to. And you know, we're not perfect. I'm working on that. Not every strip is going to be perfect, but I will get a wax that's going to be efficient and flexible and sensitive skin friendly every time. You can ensure that when you come to book with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.